Next in CSS, we have to create this Facebook login form. So this can be our text, and even we can put image also. This is our form box, and in this form box, this is our text field where we have to put email. This is our password box, this is our button, and this is our hyperlink. To create this form, this is our basic HTML code, and within body section, first of all, we'll creating our form. So here I'm giving div class equals to center 1. We are going to create this class later. Within this class center, we are creating h1, and here we are writing Facebook. After this, we are creating one more div and class equals to, we are giving form box, and within this form box class, we'll be creating our form. So we can see that here this is our div, this is our first div which is holding second div, and here form action equals to, we are giving hash here. We can give method equals to post as well. Now first, our first field is text box. So for that, input type equals to text. Then we have to give placeholder equals to, here we can write anything. So here it is written enter email or phone number. So here it will be and here it is required. So we cannot leave this field empty. Similarly for password, input type equals to password. Again it is required, we have to give placeholder to be enter password, and again user can't leave this field empty, so here we are giving required. Next we are going to create our button. Here it is button. So button type equals to submit. We want that the text on the button should be bold, so here we are using bold tag, and on that button we want to be written login. We want login to be written on that button, and after that we have to create anchor tag. So right now we are not linking it to any other document, so we are giving hash here, and we want that there should not be any underline here. We have underline, we want to remove this underline, so for that we will be giving style decoration to none. and here we have to give text forgot account or sign up for Facebook. Save it and go live. So we have created our basic form. Now we have to provide all the styling. So for that, first of all, I will be giving it for this H1. So here in head section, we are using style tag, and first of all, we're giving it for body section, body, and here I'm using background color to be hash. This should be background color, then margin to be 0, and font family to be, we are taking it here, Arial. Save it and go live. So we can see that background color has been changed. Now we are here, we have taken center class. We have to make a center class. So dot center one is the name of class, and what I want to do in this class, we have to give position to be absolute, then margin top to be here I'm giving it 0, and margin left I'm giving it 450 pixel. Save it and go live. So we can see that all the form elements are in the center. Now we have to provide styling for this Facebook. So this is our H1 tag. So here I'm writing H1, and here I want that font size should be 75 pixel. Then we want color of the text should be, here I'm giving hash 43609C. So this is our font color. Then margin left to be 50 pixel, and margin bottom, here we are giving it to be 25 pixel. So we can see that here in center one class we have taken margin left to be 450 pixel, and position of this, here we have given it absolute. So when we are giving margin left to be 50 pixel in H1, then it will move 50 pixel left side relative to this 450 pixel margin. So save it and go live. So we can see that it has changed its font size and color and all. Next, we want to provide styles to this form box. This is our class, so we are creating this form box class here. So dot form box, and here I want that this form box should be 350 pixel wide. So width I'm giving is 350 pixel. Padding here I'm giving is 15 pixel. Then I'm giving text align should be in center. Then border radius to be 5 pixel. Then background color, here I'm giving it hash FFF. Then margin top to be 25 pixel. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that everything has come in the center, and this is our, this white one is our form box. Now we have to provide styling for this text box, password box, button and all. So for that, here after form box I'm giving input type equals to, first of all, text, and same formatting we have to apply for password box. Input type equals to password. For these boxes we want that the text box here, our text box should be of the size of form box, password box is also of the size of form box, and button is also of the size of form box. So here we are giving width to be 100%. This is 100% of form box. Then padding, we are giving it 16 pixel. Then margin, we are giving it 12 pixel and 0. Then display inline block. Then box sizing to border box. Border radius to be 5 pixel, and the border we are giving is 1 pixel. Solid, here I'm giving hash triple C. Save it and go live. So we can see that our form text box and password box both are of the size of form box, and now we have to do it for login button. One more thing, we want that our text box should highlight with the blue outline when it is focused. Similarly, password box should get highlighted with blue outline when it is focused. So one more thing we are doing for this input type text and input type password, that is we are giving it focus effect. So here I'm writing focus, and here after focus. Now what we want, that outline color should change. Here we are giving 1 pixel solid RGB. Here we are giving 5109 and 235. Save it and go live. So whenever we are focusing on this text box and its password box, it is getting highlighted with blue outline. Now we are doing it for login button. We can see that our login button is of the size of form box. So here We are giving button, and to this button we want that background color should be hash 43609E. This is our background color. Then color of the text should be white. Then width should be 100% of the form box. Then we want border radius to be 5 pixel we are giving. Then none, cursor to pointer. Then padding, we are giving it 12 pixel. Margin, we are giving 12 pixel and 0. And font size to be 20 pixel. Save it and go live. So this is our login button. Next, we want that whenever you hover over this button, it should get little dim or little transparency. For that, we have to give opacity for this button. So here we are giving button, hover, and whenever we hover over this button, its opacity should be 0.9. Save it and go live. So now we are hovering over it and its opacity is decreasing. It is getting little light. Now here we can see that our Facebook is looking very little different from whatever we were thinking of designing. So here we have to give font family. In H1, here we are giving font family to, here we are selecting Times New Roman. Save it and go live. So this is our Facebook login page.